Ho ho ho. This is the forecast for Christmas morning. I'll see you guys outside in just a moment, but still flurries for Thursday. And still flurries for Monday, and then a mixture for Tuesday. Not much really other than that with the Environment Canada forecast. Next. Weather's forecast is pretty decent as well. God. So they have Monday, obviously. I mean tomorrow. And then look at all this shit. There's a crap fest next week. We got snow Sunday, snow Monday, mixture Tuesday, mixture Wednesday, snow Thursday, mixture Friday, snow Saturday. It's like fucking hell. And then it gets cold again. And then it gets cold to start off January, which does line up because there's a big area of cold air, Arctic, freezing, ridiculously cold air up north in like Alaska and Yukon that might make its way down here in January. So, but yeah, New Year's Eve / day looking pretty sloppy one way or another though. There you guys go. I will see you guys outside in just a moment. Here's the forecast. Ain't nothing special. All that's really changed is tomorrow. Now tomorrow's just a 40% chance of flurries late in the afternoon. Changing to flurries Thursday night with a localized amount of 2 centimeters. And then that's it. That's about all that's really changed. So flurries tomorrow start at 6. Like flurries, but the chance of flurries start at 4. It's only a very brief period of just a low 40% chance. There you guys go though. I will see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning. So here's the new forecast. It's not too shabby. It's actually a good update. So now tonight, still -6, but mainly cloudy except clear over higher terrain as expected. Now it's becoming cloudy late in the afternoon with a 40% chance of flurries. Now instead of localized amounts of 2 centimeters, it is just 2 centimeters tomorrow night. Flurries. Now there's a 60% chance of flurries Friday, a 60% chance of flurries Saturday, and then if we go through here, temperatures are a lot colder, and now it's just flurries from Monday night and Tuesday, which has changed from a mixture to now 6% chance of flurries. And now still the same thing. So yeah, decent update. It's definitely a decent update. There you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Here's the forecast. Not much really has changed. I think today is supposed to be warmer. Oh yeah, and then that cloudy thing has changed as well. Oh yeah, and this add-on here, so 6% chance of flurries continues into Tuesday night, changing over to showers Wednesday. 2 degrees though, so that could easily flip back to like flurries or a mixture. Okay. Next, whatever here. Oh jeez. Yeah. Okay, so still looking good from the one network here. So let's go through it, shall we? We got mixture. Like wet snow. Mixture. Wet snow. What? Don't know what happens here, but I guess I'm just gonna say snow. And then all snow. This is the day we head back to school too. There you guys go. I will see you guys later with the 11 o'clock update. There's a little bit of a breeze going on. I came out here to pull in the bins, but brought the camera out because it's definitely a little gusty. No windy more so. Huh. Unexpected gusty day, I guess. I'm gonna bring the bins. Yeah. These are your general 30 k's, maybe 30 to 40 k's. Gust. Nothing too significant. I can't tell myself if this cloud cover right now is still valley cloud or if it's actual cloud cover, based off of how high this is. Something tells me it's just casual cloud cover because there is snow coming in right now from the west. Flurries may start up earlier than expected. But yeah, we're heading in now though. It's bloody cold. God, the wind should have to be at least down to minus like 6. That or I'm just really warm right now, so this feels very cold. But yeah. Hey guys, go. See you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, this is definitely normal cloud. But I just realized, I think this is just normal valley. Whoa. Yeah, definitely occasional 30-40 I guess. There you guys go though. See you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Here's the 4 o'clock forecast. Not much has really changed. I don't know if this was initially. I don't know if this was. Yeah, it was. Yeah, never mind. I thought this was a 40% chance before, but yeah, I think this was 60%. Still 60. Anyways, now instead of flurries, it's periods of snow beginning early this evening. Still 2 centimeters possible. Everything else is pretty much the same. Periods of snow go from 7 till 3, which is why it's pretty low accumulation. If this was probably 100%, it'd probably be 2 to 4. Any longer, it would have probably been 2 to 4 if it kept the 80%. But yeah. Should start up within the next hour or two. Not looking too shabby. Nothing yet. I mean, it's an 80%, so we'll see. Wait, what time was this? Oh no, yeah, that was 6. That was 5:15. Never mind. Anyways, there you guys go. I will see you guys later tonight sometime. Yeah. Alrighty, so 10:30 update is very, very good. Let's start off here from tonight to Saturday night period. Now it's periods of snow tonight, still 2 centimeters. Still 6% chance of flurries tomorrow. Now Saturday is periods of snow with changing to a 40% chance of flurries Saturday night. Sunday, nothing much has changed, maybe the temperature. And then Monday, now we have cloudy and changing to snow Monday night. This is the 30th. Here is the 31st, New Year's Eve. Snow changing to a 60% chance of flurries in the night. And then New Year's, it's looking like another 60% chance of flurries. This is really, this has really been upgraded. And this has been decently upgraded as well. Overall, really, the only day that has not really changed is tomorrow and Sunday. Those are the only 2 days that have really not been touched. But yeah, the periods of snow are expected still till 3 a.m. Still 2 centimeters. Here's the radar right now. Snow starting to make its way in. Doesn't look like it's going to be a persistent snowfall. It looks like it's just going to be this and then done. Just let the, yeah, there you go. So I don't really see much back building going on with it. A little bit concerned because Kamloops got no snow. Even though, look, as you see there, they've been sitting on top of it. But I will note the humidity has been quite low there. It's been below 80%. Here it's been roughly around 90. Hovering near or around 90. Penticton, it's currently snowing, so I think we're good. And they have a pretty good, decent humidity as well. Yeah, it was just 89. It's actually been slowly climbing throughout the night. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Here's the radar. Not really much else developing behind it except this stuff here, but it looks pretty useless in my honest opinion, but we'll see. As well, it's a decent line, like decent blob of moderate snowfall making its way in for later tonight. Later tonight / morning, I guess. But yeah, I'm heading to bed now, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty. So it did snow a decent amount. I mean, I'll give it to Environment Canada if it's within a centimeter, which I can tell right now it is. They forecasted 2, so if it's 1 to 3 centimeters, I'll give it a good forecast. It's currently cloudy right now, so I wasn't too worried about getting out here too quick. Hasn't melted any. I'll just say that right now. It's pretty lame kind of snowfall though. It's not that nice looking out, but hey. Let's go check the snowfall totals though. See what else we have added on. Let's see. Is there snow? I saw something fall. Okay, here we go. Not too shabby. Alrighty, let's go. I was literally less than half a minute. Yeah. So I'll give it to them. They were pretty close to dead on with the forecast. It was a pretty consistent light snowfall from midnight. So from the time I showed you guys it was snowing till about 5 a.m. It was pretty persistent light snowfall. I'm guessing based off the fact that, well, we only have 1.5 centimeters and it lasted for 5 hours, roughly. Yeah, not pretty much says it all. Wasn't really much of a heavy snowfall. I'm assuming it took some breaks in between, because even a consistent light snowfall should have given at least 2 centimeters, but whatever. Moving down the line here. Yeah. Wasn't too shabby. Made one pathway here, because there's a bunch of pathways made. It's like a very dry snowfall too. That's what I've noticed as well. It's not very wet snowfall, it's very dry. It's like, yeah. It's a very nice dry snowfall. It's supposed to get up to 1 today, but if it stays cloudy, I'd say it'll probably get up to 0, maybe just above the freezing mark at most. But yeah, it's gonna. Oh, slip. Damn cats. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, not too shabby. I'll keep saying that, it's not too shabby. I accidentally bumped my head against it because I was doing something in the bush, but it looked a lot better than that. Yeah. I guess this just slows down the melting process, because I mean, we have to melt all this first before I can melt the rest of it. So hopefully that is the case, and yeah. Though it looks like, yeah, it's been kind of like a battle here to determine this, but it's been like, if January's really gonna be either cold and snowy or cold and dry. It's kind of been a little battle if it's gonna be colder, snowy, colder, dry. I would say most are probably going for cold and fairly dry. Not too dry, but about like a February kind of thing. But something along those lines. A bunch of seriously cold Arctic air is expected to push down from the north later in the new year, roughly. So, buddy. So, try just to get my bounce on. There we go. So, yeah. Interested to see how that's gonna go. But, I don't know, nice guy. Yeah, 7.5 meters. Not too much to it, but back on the January thing, I'm interested to see how that one will play out. So, I mean, one way or another, later next week, just before the end of the new year, just the end of the 2019, it looks like it may end up with a bang. Bunch of snow, possibly. GPS was hinting at that, and it was saying within 24 hours, giving us a whopping like 15 to 20 centimeters of snow from one whole storm, which is very unlikely. And that was like a couple days ago. Yeah, it was giving us a whopping 15 to like almost 25 centimeters of snow within 24 hours from that one storm I was talking about. So, yeah, interesting to see now Environment Canada is following suit with there being snow, but hopefully not 15 to 25 centimeters. I can't remember if 25 centimeters is a foot of snow or not. I'm not too sure. I think it is. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a foot of snow. I'm not too sure. There you guys go, though. No. Wait. Yeah, whatever. I'll see you guys with the other camera in just a little bit. Alrighty. Let's head around. Not much to this snowfall, keep saying that. You can see it's starting to, I don't know if it's because of the house or not, but it's starting to melt along the concrete already. So I mean, it's very well possible. Nah, it's actually starting to melt a little bit. I think the temperatures are just starting to touch the freezing mark right now. I better shovel it now before it becomes a sloppy fucking mess later. Nice and dry right now, but it doesn't take long to become wet. Look at that noise. I'm hearing like crinkling and shit. Give me a second. Actually, no. Like I said, I got a shovel still. I hear a bunch of crinkling noises. I don't know what the hell that is. Whatever. Here you guys go, though. Light snowfall. I will see you guys later. Here is the forecast. So, 40% chance of flurries changing to a mix of sun cloud today. Let me reload this. See, 10 o'clock. Nope. Now tomorrow is just a period of light snow, so it's not going to be much accumulation, maybe another centimeter or two. Monday night, Tuesday still on top as expected. Wednesday night and Thursday are now a 60% chance of flurries. Slightly goes down Thursday. Not too shabby. Not much has really changed except the addition of these two periods and Saturday. There's that one, and then the weather outlook is not too shabby as well. As long as it actually loads in here. Okay, sweet. There we go, sweet. Okay, it's nice and smooth. Okay, so 40% chance of flurries tomorrow. And a little break on Sunday, and then we're into an active pattern starting next week into the new year. So let's take a look-see here. So here's the New Year's Eve. Not too shabby. The 30th, not too shabby. Wednesday is pretty wet for the start of the new year. Gets even wetter the next day. And then it quickly switches over to a more snowy trend. It's kind of like we get 1, to 3 days of a pretty wet trend, and then it flips over to a snowier, just overall longer period of snow later on next week. Though that goes into school, so eek. But like I say, you can see that cold pattern comes in as well, so. But I mean, definitely January is looking pretty snowy plus cold. And snowy plus cold equals fun times. Yeah. Ouch. So, yeah. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys later today with the 11 a.m. update, if anything has significantly changed. Yeah. Here's the 4 o'clock update. All that's changed is tomorrow night. Periods of light snow begin tomorrow afternoon and continue into tomorrow night, ending near midnight. So really, to me, I would see a localized 2 to 4 centimeters, maybe just 2. We'll say that. Maybe let's go with a localized 2 to 3 centimeters, maybe, depending on, yeah. But snow starts up at 3 and continues obviously till near midnight, so that's 11 o'clock. So from 3 to 11 p.m. It's not too shabby. So there you guys go. Not much really to it. I will probably see you guys later tonight, if not tomorrow morning. Alright, so forecast. Now it's just a 60% chance of flurries for today. No longer any periods of light snow. Still snow for Monday. Sorry. Tuesday, still 60% chance of flurries for onward from there. And mixture of Friday. There's that. And then environment, the weather here. Hopefully it's gonna be nice to me here. Nope. Really predicting a hell of a messy ass and start to the new year, and the messiest I've seen. So we start off with some flurries Monday night, then a good old nice bit of snow on Tuesday with a bit of a mixture during the afternoon. Then a nice even mixture of rain and snow on Wednesday. And then mainly rain on Thursday, I mean. Pretty disgusting. Look at that. And then we go a little bit farther down the road here. Decent amount of snow expected. This start the first week back from school. I mean, from winter break. No, first week of school. There we go. A decent amount of snow. So, yeah. Overall, I would say this is probably about like 10 to 15 centimeters. And now it's 10 to 20 centimeters, I mean. Jesus Christ. But, yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today sometime. Would you look at that? Very hard to wake up in the morning, but can't forget your daily dose of lake effects now. Let's hit this one. This was what I was least expecting today. Oh, that lake effect snow transversing across the mountains. It's pretty cool. It's the one thing I do love about winter. So, whenever we get valley cloud, it's almost a certain thing we'll get lake effect snow associated with it. Oh wow. Like I said, holy shit. How heavy it's gotten down here. Look at that. It's holy holy shit. God damn, that is some decent lake effect snow right now. Holy crap. It's currently about -1, -2 right now. Guess I'll just bring that up. My God, look at that. There's some heavy lake effect down there. Jeez. No. Alright, we're gonna go head back over now. Let's see. So it's 40 seconds later. It's about, we're about a minute, roughly a minute later. Yeah, it's actually surprisingly not changed too much. Yeah, not really. Hasn't changed too much. I think what's changed most is out down there. Wow. The lake effect snow. See, look at that. Look how light it looks down here. The lake effect snow. And then, as soon as you go over here, dark and gloomy as shit. I'd rather take this over this. What my dark valley called? What? Yeah. No, it's kind of just going to continue to transverse across the mountains here. You can even see I'm just above that hill. So it's actually not that far away. Probably if I biked up to my lookout spot, it would be like basically right under me. That'd be my best guess. Oh. Do I see no flakes coming down? Or is that just my imagination? I think that was just my imagination. Maybe this. Yeah, it was just my imagination. Yeah. Nothing. We'll pop over one more time. Let's just see how this is looking down here. It's actually looking like it's gotten a little bit heavier. Take a peek here. Jesus. Oh yeah. Never mind. Let's head back. This over here is done. This straight easterly shit's done. This is still kind of trying to transverse across. These are the times where I wish I lived in the mountains. Along those mountains there, it'd be perfect for some lake effects. It'd be perfect for lake effect setups. Though watching transverse across the mountains is almost as good. Still not as good, but close. But yeah, I'm gonna pop inside now. Let's give it an extra few seconds here. Yeah, let's head in now. Yeah, still got a 60% chance of flares here. I would say that's more like a 70, based off of yesterday's models anyways. Though I did say one model completely dipped out of it and that was GFS, so we'll see. But either I'll see you guys back out here with the lake effect, or I'll see you guys with the 11 o'clock update. One of the two. Alrighty, new forecast is out. Yep, now it's back to a few flurries possible this afternoon. And continuing into tonight once again, still with now 2 centimeters possible. So, yeah, that's all that's changed really. So a few flurries begin at 3 and end at 11. Just like yesterday, it was periods of light snow yesterday. Today it's a few flurries. Yeah. That's how it looks. And here's the radar. Starting to... Oh, that was at 8 o'clock, my bad. Just let that load here. It won't go, the one white screen will be because of the 11.10 update not loading in yet. Just as an FYI. Yeah. But there you guys go. I'll see you guys outside in a little bit. Still lake effect snow going on. New forecast isn't too bad. I mean, I'd say it's a slight downgrade, but just go through it here. So now it's just periods of light snow again. It's gone from periods of light snow to a chance of flurries. No, it's gone from periods of snow to periods of light snow to a chance of flurries, and then to a few flurries, and now we're at periods of light snow again. Right back almost where we started. Monday night still has snow, but Tuesday now is just periods of snow or rain. I'd probably say more snow than rain. Tuesday night snow now. And now every daytime period from Wednesday onward is just a mixture potential. So it's just like 6% chance of a mixture, then 6% chance of flurries. 6% chance of mixture, 60% chance of flurries. And 60% chance of a mixture, and I would highly presume 6% chance of flurries afterwards. Well, at least a chance of flurries of some sort. And as well, periods of light snow now end at 9. So a lot has changed. Here's the radar. It's not too shabby looking. Yeah. It's not too shabby. So, it looks like next week is going to be pretty active. Huh. There you guys go. I will see you guys probably later tonight sometime. Here's the radar. So, no outside, just radar. One more round trying to make its way in before it officially ends, right there. Haven't seen any more than not even like barely a trace of snow, so yeah. That's how it's been looking. Yeah. Humidity is 88. That's all right, but you would like to see that a little bit higher for the complete snowfall. An example would be just our northwest here. See, humidity is quite low there as well, so I would presume the snow ain't that heavy there either. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Very light, as you can tell. These really bigger flakes, this would be a lot heavier accumulation, like, right? I mean, it's like a decent snowfall, but if the flakes were bigger, there would be a lot more accumulation happening right now. Right now, it's just pretty piss push. I'm just gonna do 2:30 with this clip, and then a minute on the other one that we'll edit in. Not for long. So in other words, meaning like, not gonna stick out here for long. It's very light snowfall. Nothing special. The real should be coming the end, around the end of the year / start of the year. So, yeah. I can't see that barely. How did I even happen? Alrighty, heading in now. Like I said, it's not really much to it. It's really just a very light snowfall. It's like one of the lightest actual snowfalls. I'm not gonna measure. It's not measurable yet. That's when you say a trace. It's not a measurable amount. You just say trace. You know, unless you're talking like you don't have enough big enough ruler to measure the snowfall. Then, in other words, you just get bigger. Yeah. There you guys go. I'll see you guys. See you guys in a little bit. Well, it looks like it might be one of those snowfalls where it holds its ground for as long as it can. Because it's not really much lighter than where it was right here. Like kind of where all that blue and green was over us. Not that part, but this part here. Yeah. It's the same intensity just like that, and how light is it right now? Something tells me we're going to have some serious valley cloud tomorrow with some solid lake effect snow. Yeah, and I'm ending the video sometime tomorrow. Probably the 4 p.m. update. So, yeah. Fun. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit for measurement. See how much snow we got. Probably about a centimeter max. Well, as per expected, clear skies. Just take up the ruler. Clear skies, where it's still snowing quite steadily. It's like literally clearing. We're literally gonna get clear skies. Alright, we're gonna go for a measurement here. Let's see how that goes. see how much snow we gotten. Now I'm placing my bets here and saying about a centimeter. Let's see. Yeah, look how it's clearing. Okay, I'm just gonna get some photos first and then about half a centimeter. Quite honestly expecting it. Let's go put this away and then we'll pop around just for a little bit. Close the door, and that's not good. Yeah, I know it's dark. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, let's just head around for a little bit here. I don't know what the hell is happening over there. Yeah, very light skiff of snow. That's what I call it, a skiff. In technical terms, it's a trace coating. Typically the two wordings you would most commonly want to use. Don't know what's happening. It's definitely not happening here. What's happening down there? Yeah. Can't tell, but it's pretty damn clear. It's clearing quite nicely. That should allow for some cooling tonight. Hopefully it'll get colder. Stay cold enough. Jeez. Let's go to the 2-minute mark and then we'll head in. Light snowfall. Caught it. Caught a flake. Yeah. Pretty casual light snowfall. Nothing too special. Alright, this is a ridiculous forecast update. They have oh my god, I'm speechless. Not even just because of what I'm showing right now. So yeah, as you can see, flurries are possible tomorrow with risk of freezing drizzle. I would not be surprised if a special weather statement or advisory gets issued for this sometime tomorrow morning. I guess if it trends into tomorrow morning, but yeah. Now it's no longer snow Monday night, it's periods of snow, but we had snow or rain for Tuesday still, so that's still good. Wednesday's now periods of snow or rain. Switches over to a 6% chance of it. Just realized this. Snow, not flurries, snow Wednesday night. Switching back over to snow Thursday, snow or rain Thursday. Switching back over to 6% chance of flurries Thursday night. And then we stick with that 6% chance on Friday. In other words, literally to end off my holidays, it's going to be an absolute shit show. Unbelievable. Yeah. And I guess the slightly crappy part is, well, no, actually not the crappy part, but one way, this is what the stitch is happening. I'm going to be at a friend's place Monday night and Tuesday. So, during this period, yeah. So, yikers. I'll probably miss this, but I mean, at least I get all this still. But we'll see how this goes down. Maybe this will end up being rain, who knows. Maybe I don't miss much. That's just how it's going down right now. So 30% chance of flurries the rest of the night. and then it switches over to a risk of freezing drizzle at 6 a.m. and then ends at 11, and then restarts tomorrow overnight, or overnight, so 2 days from now. Yeah. So, like I said, probably expect there's a good possibility a special weather statement or advisory could get issued for this. This is looking pretty major right here, Monday night through till Wednesday, especially if it's persistent. Thursday not looking too well, I should really be saying like just this whole entire period right here, Monday night through till Thursday. So that means 6% chance of snow. That's still pretty solid. So in other words, I would really say this period right here is looking ridiculous. But that's how it's going down. I'll give you guys a little bit of a slightly quicker update tomorrow morning. I should really just quickly check the radar here, and it's nothing. It's literally all dead. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. See if we wake up to a special weather statement, freezing drizzle advisory, something new. So I'm just going to show the Weathernex forecast, because Environment Canada hasn't changed really anything other than tomorrow, Monday, they're suggesting also 30% chance of flurries with a risk of freezing drizzle. So, yeah. Other than that, that's all that changed from Environment Canada's forecast, so I'm not going to bother showing it. Here's the Weathernex though. Pretty messy Tuesday. And I'm very doubtful this Wednesday. Like, Jesus Christ. Thursday is looking, snowy. And then it gets cold. Next week. As you can see here. Yeah. Other than that, it's not too bad forecast, but Let's check what we got for today. But yeah. There you guys go though. I will be heading outside in just a little bit. I'm not going to be getting any photos or anything like that. I'm just going to be heading out there, shovel the snow, the very minimal amount of snow that there is. But yeah, I'll see you guys with 11. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit. Yeah. As you can see, yeah. Nah, yeah, it's not even worth the time. Sounds nice, huh? Yeah. Lake effect along there. I think that's what that is anyways. There's nothing on radar, I instantly assume it's lake effect. See it all along down there. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna be waiting until the shit show arrives later on Monday. That should be interesting. Cause, yeah. Yeah, nothing really too exciting about this other than light, wet snow. Well, now wet, because it's melting. Yeah, ain't worth shoveling. There you guys go. I'll see you guys with the 11 o'clock update later today. Hopefully it's decent. So, here's the 11 o'clock forecast, and it is not too shabby. Definitely not raining. Still a 30% chance of flurries with risk of freezing rain tonight and tomorrow. Now Monday is snow. Monday night's back to snow. No longer periods of snow. So that's a plus there. And everything else is still pretty much the same. Flurries continue. You can see that cooling trend taking place as that flow switches from more of a westerly, southwesterly to a more straight westerly to northwesterly flow, more so northwest. Brings that Arctic air from the Alaska coming down to here. Should continue this active pattern possibly. But yeah, everything's pretty much the same other than obviously the introduction of Friday night and Saturday. And that now Monday night is periods instead of periods of snow, it's snow. So yeah, I'll end this video at 4 p.m. when the 4 p.m. update comes out. And yeah, so see you guys with the 4 p.m. update later today. And yeah, I thoroughly expect a snowfall warning out of this, or at least some kind of alert. But yeah, I will see you guys later today sometime. Later today, yeah. With either the 4 p.m. update or just outside. I don't know. Sometime in the near future anyways. See you guys then. Well, here's the new forecast. Not much has really changed other than they have introduced the snowfall amount for Monday night. Currently shows at 5 centimeters. Still a risk of freezing drizzle tonight and tomorrow morning. Yeah, not much has really changed. So, yeah. Yeah, see through here still. Yep. Looking at the models for Tuesday specifically, I'd say widespread accumulations of 5 to 15 centimeters could be expected. I'd say maybe between this period. So I'm shaking hands for some reason. I would say here specifically, I would not be surprised 10 to 15 centimeters depending on how much melts and how much actually sticks. Because as you can tell, with Wednesday here, 3 degrees, Tuesday 1. You can just see right there, most of the temperatures stay at least near, no lower than near freezing. So, yeah, but general accumulations, I would say between 10 to 15 centimeters could be expected here during that time period. So I would not be surprised if at least a special weather statement is issued at some point tomorrow for this. But right now, it's still pretty uncertain because like I said, these temperatures are pretty yikers. So it runs that border between rain and snow. So it's like, but one way or another, still decent amount of snow could be expected over the course of the next few days, more like the next week, almost. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys in the new video. It's gonna be a hell of a video. See you guys then.